Keeping your wheels spotless doesn't have to be a struggle. In today's video, we're counting down the best wheel brushes that make removing brake dust, dirt, and road grime faster and easier. Whether you have delicate alloy wheels or intricate spoke designs, we found the top options to help you clean safely and efficiently. Check out the links in the description box below for pricing, details, and availability. Number 1 is the Detail Factory ProGrip Wheel Face Brush. It represents serious detailing equipment for those who refuse to compromise. Premium flag tip bristles split at the ends, penetrating tight crevices and intricate spoke patterns while maintaining a genuinely gentle touch on sensitive finishes. The ProGrip handle absorbs hand strain during extended sessions, keeping fatigue from interrupting precision work. This level of specialized bristle engineering clearly separates it from budget alternatives cluttering the market. The higher price reflects genuine material and construction quality rather than branding alone. For professionals and perfectionist enthusiasts protecting valuable wheels, this brush justifies every penny spent. Number 2 is the Mother's Car Wash Brush. It brings thoughtful engineering to everyday wheel cleaning. Extra soft bristles protect sensitive finishes from scratching, while the non-slip comfort grip keeps fatigue at bay during longer detailing sessions. A built-in rubber bumper adds a layer of protection, guarding rims against accidental contact during aggressive scrubbing. Lightweight construction allows effortless maneuvering around tight wheel arches and fender wells. The shorter handle does demand more arm movement compared to extended alternatives, which some users may find tiring. Nevertheless, Mother's long-standing reputation for quality backs every stroke. For protective features combined with brand reliability, this brush stands confidently among the competition. Number 3 is the Viking Car Wash Brush. It was built with larger vehicles in mind. Its 16.5-inch extended handle reaches deep into wheel wells and behind rims effortlessly, eliminating the awkward stretching that shorter brushes demand. Soft bristles work across all wheel types without compromising paint or finish integrity, making it versatile enough for daily drivers and weekend trucks alike. The lightweight frame keeps arm strain minimal even through multiple wheels. Precision does suffer slightly on smaller rim details where the longer handle reduces maneuverability. Regardless, for truck owners and SUV drivers who need genuine reach without sacrificing cleaning performance, the Viking delivers consistently. Number 4 is the Takavu Master Wheel and Tire Brush. It takes a focused approach, with every detail engineered for scratch-free cleaning performance. Long, soft bristles reach narrow tire sidewalls and tackle heavy brake dust buildup on rim faces with equal effectiveness. Unlike multi-purpose brushes that compromise on specialization, this design commits entirely to wheel and tire duty. Bristles retain their shape and softness remarkably well under repeated use and consistent pressure. Aggressive scrubbing may accelerate bristle wear over time, so moderate technique is recommended for longevity. For detailers who want a dedicated, no-compromise wheel cleaning tool rather than a generalist brush, the Takavu Master delivers focused results. Number 5 is the Chemical Guys Wheel Cleaner Brush. It earns its place on the list thanks to its simple design and dependable performance. Soft synthetic bristles tackle dirt and brake dust effectively without threatening delicate wheel finishes, making it a safe choice for high-end rims. The compact build navigates tight crevices and tire sidewalls with ease, while the ergonomic grip holds up comfortably during extended detailing sessions. Bristle flexibility remains consistent wash after wash, resisting the fraying that plagues cheaper alternatives. The shorter handle does limit reach into deeper wheel wells, which experienced detailers will notice. Even so, for damage-free routine maintenance from a trusted name, this brush consistently delivers. Number 6 is the Kirovalis Wheel and Tire Brush. It approaches wheel cleaning with a clear protective philosophy. Soft bristles penetrate deeply into rims, tires, and exhaust tips, without the aggressive scrubbing that causes swirl marks or surface damage. The extended handle reaches awkward back wheel positions and tight angles where shorter brushes simply cannot access comfortably. This specialist focus on scratch-free deep cleaning sets it apart from general-purpose alternatives. The relatively limited review history compared to established brands does leave some questions around long-term field performance. However, The intentional design prioritizing finish protection speaks directly to meticulous owners. For maximum surface safety with genuine reach, the Kirovalis impresses. And that's a wrap on the best wool brushes available right now. We hope this helped you find the perfect brush to keep your wheels gleaming. Whether you're a casual car washer or a serious detailer, there's something on this list for everyone. Don't forget to check the links in the description box below for pricing and availability. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.